All right, this is your math warm up for Asynchronous Wednesday. Ooh, I hate that word, asynchronous. I like seeing you guys. Uh, One of these days, everybody wear a mask. We'll get those numbers down. We'll get you guys back at school, or at school for you guys, huh? All right, what you want to do, copy all this down. The warm up for Wednesday, October 21st. Copy down those 4 diamonds. If you can't read my writing, it says estimate, and then use the generic rectangle to check to see how close your estimate is, right? So you're doing 48 times 31. Remember how that works for generic rectangle? Okay. You can, if you want, really exercise, because that's what that's all about, exercising. If you feel like you're in really good shape and you can run a little farther than everybody else, after you're done with this, try it with the standard algorithm. Come over here and do the 48 times the 31 and see if both your answers are equal to each other, and see how close it is to the estimate. Okay? Love that word estimate, right? Remember, when you estimate, what's the number one thing you're supposed to do? That E stands for easy. If you did not make the problem easy, you did not do it right. That usually means if you did it wrong, it's because you worked too hard. Isn't that kind of cool? All right, so 48, I'm doing 40 and 8, and sometimes the book is going to put a plus in there to make you know that you're adding that 4 and 8, but I remember that first showed up in like tests in the past, and kids were like, "What's this positive 8? What does that mean?" Right? It really confused kids. Don't be confused by that. You can add it sometimes, but you have 30 and 1 and 40 and 8. Do that, right? Do that, and do that. Do that. Do that. It sounds like I'm a 50s band. Do up. Do up. Do up. All right. Write the 7 free ones. Remember, but wait, there's more. Right? You get when you master each fact. So if you mastered 7 times 8, remember you used to call this kind of like fact families, I think. But you get the reverse, right? You get 8 times 7. And what is 7 times 8? If you knew it was 56 without even thinking, you are mastering that fact, right? So if 7 times 8 is 56, 8 times 7 is also 56. But wait, there's more, right? You also get the division of 56 divided by 7 and 56 divided by 8. But wait, there's more, right? Then you get fractions. 56 eighths, what does that equal? And 56 sevenths, what does that equal? And 8 over 56, what's that the same as? Equivalent to? And what is this equivalent fraction or reduced simplified fraction for 7 over 56, right? You get 7 free ones when you earn 1, okay? Go try all of these and then come back and check your answers. Or if you get stuck, come back and get the answers. It's all good, right? That's what practice is all about. See you in a few. Okay, we're going to go through this fairly quickly because it's a busy day. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 plus 5 is 10. Again, it helps if you write this in there as you start to really master what diamonds are all about, okay? What 2 numbers have a product of 49 and a sum of 14? 7 and 7, okay? 5 to the second power. Now, remember yesterday we talked about another one word you can say. Instead of saying to the second power, you can say one word instead of 4. And then you kind of really sound like a mathematician too. What word is that? Squared. That's 5 squared. Because if you were going to make a rectangle with 5 times 5, your rectangle would be special. Each side would be the same, and it's also called a square. What is 9 squared? 81. 9 doubled is 18. Uh-oh, how do I get this one? 30? How does that work? 3 to the 4th power. 3 times 27 is 81, and 3 plus, because that 27, each of those has 3 nines in it, right? Right? There's 3 nines in each of that. Okay, there you go. On to this one. 48, so I have 30 times 40. Actually, let's first estimate, right? And remember when you write estimate, you're not doing a regular equal sign. It's about. Do the little squiggly lines there for your estimate. Okay, and you're supposed to make it easy. 48's too hard, make it easy. You say that's about 50. 31's too hard, make it easy. That's about 30. 50 times 30 is 5 times 3. And I move the decimal over 2 spots. Remember, you're not saying add the 0 now, because this will help you with fractions or decimals if you think you're moving the decimal instead, right? So 1,500 is my estimate. 30 times 40, 3 times 4, and move the decimal over 2 spots. That's 1,200. I'm getting close already, right? 30 times 8 is 3 times 8, and this time I'm just moving the decimal over 1 spot. 240. 1 times 40 is easy. 1 times 8 is easy. 1,200, 240, 40, and 8. See how close my estimate was, right? 4 and 4 is 8. 2, 2 is 4. My estimate was 1,500. My answer is 1,488. If I add 12 to that, I get that. Pretty close. That's a pretty good estimate. Okay, let's double check with the standard algorithm. 1 times 48 is 48. Put the placeholder because that 3 is really 30, right? 3 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2, and 12 and 2 is 14. When I add, I get 1,488. Boom, did it right. Okay, 62 and 37. 62 hard. Let's make that 60. Remember, you get to fire those employees that aren't helping you. Hire the ones that make it easy. 40 makes it easy. 37 doesn't make it easy, right? 6 times 4 is 24. Move the decimal over 2 spots. So 2,400 is my estimate. Okay, and I'm going to write the standard algorithm up here. I'm going to skip that because I'm in a hurry, and you didn't have to do that. You were doing that for extra. Okay, and I'm going to do a 60 and a 2 and a 30 and a 7. 3 times 6 is 18. Move the decimal over twice. 3 times 2 is 6. Move the decimal over once. 7 times 6 is 42. Move the decimal over once. And 7 times 2 is 14. 1,800, 420, 60, and 14. 2, 1, 2,294, and that's almost 2,300. This is 2,400, pretty close. All right, remember this is a little harder, 3 digits. I'm going to do this on the other side real quick. 296 and 82. Now I know how to do that. 80 and 2. What about the 296? Well, I got 3 digits. The first one is a 2, which is 2 hundreds. The second one is the 9, which is 9 tens. And then that was a 6, right? Yep. All right, 8 times 2 is 16. Move the decimal over 3 spots. That gets me 16,000. 8 times 9 is 72. Move the decimal over 2 spots. 7,200. And 48, move the decimal over 1 spot. 2 times 200 is 400. 2 times 90 is 180. And 2 times 6 is 12. 16,000. 7,200. 480. 400. 180. And 12. Add them up. 2, 16, 17. Carry the 1. 3, 7, 11, 12. 7, 7 is 14. 24,272. And, oh, I didn't get my estimate yet. This is about 300. This is about 80. 8 times 3, 24. And I move the decimal over 3 spots. 24,000. And that's pretty close. We'll keep it. All right, what are your free ones here? Well, we didn't finish this. 56 divided by 7 is going to be 8. 56 divided by 8 is 7. 56 eighths is 7. 56 sevenths is 8. And 8 56ths is the same as simplified to 1/7. 7 56 simplifies to 1/8. All right, 9 times 6, 54. Well, 6 times 9 will also be 54. But wait, there's more. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. But wait, there's more fractions. 54 ninths is the same as 6 wholes. 54 sixths is the same as 9. 9 54ths simplifies to 1 sixth. 6 54ths simplifies to 1 ninth. Buy one, get 7 free. Oh my goodness, order now. Can't resist that. What a deal. Safeway has buy one, get one. That's nothing compared to this, right? All right, 4 times 8 is 32. But wait, there's more. 32 divided by 8 is 4. And you can write your division like that if you want to, right? But in fact, you should probably do that every once in a while just to remind yourself that, right? Get that variety. It's almost like learning more than one word for something. You have a built-in thesaurus. You also can speak 2 languages, right? Did that yesterday. All right, 4 30-seconds is the same as 1/4, and 8 30-seconds, 1/8, and 8 30-seconds is the same as 1/4. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 7 is also going to be 21. 21 divided by 3 will equal 7, and 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Now, you see that division sign using that? That is very similar to a fraction, right? That's where we ended up getting that. 21 sevenths is 3. 21 thirds, 7. 7 over 21 is the same as 1/3, and 3 over 21 is the same as 1/7. Hate to rush you, but we were in a hurry today. Hopefully you got them all right. Good job. We will see you back tomorrow on Aloha Thursday.